Precise language leads to precise thinking. We believe that mathematics is a language, and thus the language that we use should be precise and connected and allow students to make transferable connections across number forms. So rather than saying plus, we choose to use the word and. Very young mathematicians begin to understand the idea of addition from language. We can tell a child that you have 3 toy cars and I have 2 toy cars. Together, how many toy cars do we have? This idea of bringing things together, combining like things, transfers. So when I have 3 cars and 2 cars, I have 5 cars. When I have 3 ones and 2 ones, when I have 3 ones and 2 ones, together we have 5 ones. We've just brought together these like counts. We had 3 of these ones and 2 of these ones, so we were able to combine them. We brought them together. Addition is combining like terms. The word plus connects to surplus or more, which in this case is true. However, if I have 8 and -2, or as we would say, 8 and a debt of 2, we don't have more. We actually have less. So as soon as we get into negative numbers, the idea of plus kind of goes away, whereas and stays sturdy. And also connects as we move into different number forms. When I have this number, for example, we can actually read what it says. This says 4 and 6/10. I hear myself say that. I'm reading the number, I'm reading the actual values, and I know that I can think flexibly to express it in this way. I have 4 and 6/10. I have 4 and 6/10. This expression, this mixed number here, can be expressed in these 2 ways. The language of and supports the connection there. This is true also about mixed numbers written in common fraction form. If I have this number, 3 and 1/5, I can see that I read it as 3 and 1/5. I hear myself say 3 and 1/5. That's because it truly is there. I have 3 and 1/5. This language choice allows for greater flexibility. What we find is that when we empower learners with language, that they have the understanding of why we use something, the why we say something, they understand that precise language matters as well. So try out using the word and in your classroom and let us know how that goes. Follow us along for the next video in the series as we get into talking about subtraction as loss.